Hi, it's Dave with Moov Pool Products. Today we're going to show you how to set up the timers on your Moov AI pump. To program the timers on your Moov AI pump, start by unlocking the screen with a long press on the lock button. Enter timer settings by pressing the timer button. Using the up and down arrows, adjust to your local time in a 24 hours clock. Start with the hour, then press the timer button and adjust the minutes. Press the timer button to confirm the time and begin programming your timers. 4 timers can be programmed. If the timer is programmed to zeros, the pump will be off. The timers can run off the 24-hour clock, beginning at midnight. For example, we will begin the running period for timer 1 at 0000 and end at 7 in the morning. Press timer button to confirm the time, then adjust the running capacity or flow rate. To cycle between manual and AI mode, press the mode button. Press the timer button to confirm your setting and move on to timer 2. Repeat the process and confirm your timer settings for each desired running period. Hold the timer button for 3 seconds to save your settings and activate timer mode. Now you can see the timer is running. It is currently on timer number 2. If that timer number was flashing, you will know that that's the next timer about to begin.